Look at that. Who won't buy moi moi? Moi moi is ready. And they say moi moi you. If you won't buy moi moi, drop your money at the comment section. I will ship it to you. Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Ramadan Kareem. Today we are going to make moi moi. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thirty minutes later, I add water because the water on it is dry. I cook this moi moi 15 minutes. Here is it guys, food is ready. You can have this moi moi with gari, but I'm eating my own with custard. See you in another video. Bye bye.